Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use Dropbox for your photos. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to use your Dropbox for photos, you can simply upload them manually from your computer or your phone. You need to simply enable camera uploads for automatic backups and then organize them. So you need to simply open your Dropbox app, and once you open it, you need to now open the Dropbox folder where you would like to store your photos. After you have done this, you need to tap on the plus sign at the bottom of the screen. Once you do this, you need to choose Upload Photos. After you have done this as well, you need to select the photos you would like to upload. After you have done this, you need to now tap on the folder icon in your Android or iOS device and select where would you like the files to be added. After doing this, you will be able to use your Dropbox to upload your photos. Likewise, you can also organize these folders with the help of tags, device syncing and stuff. And you can also use your Dropbox to share these photos. So this is how you can use Dropbox for photos. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.